Okay, so here's another video. Okay, so we have helicopters, drones. Freemasons in their cars. They're all trying to show their presence. It's 10 o'clock. What time is it? And they're upset because I made a video and I mentioned Freemasons. And I also called 911 and said that there's aircraft that's attacking me with energy weapons. And basically I was told to call FAA. So now they're coming out of the woodwork. They're coming from all over. So what they do, part of their intimidation is they round up all their troops, and they come by you, they park next to you, they put their brights on you, they race in front of you. Right now, I have no idea what those are. I don't know if it's a jet, if it's a helicopter, but it's just hovering in front of me. It's been hovering for some time now. But you know what? Let's take a look. Let's look outside and see what else we can see. What else? Because the other two are hiding behind that tree over there. There's like two of them, but you can't see them. It's really hard to see them. Yeah. So, yeah, let's get out and see what else we can see. We've got to look at the sky to see what else is going on. So, there's one right above my car. This one, wherever I go, there's a satellite right above my car. There's the police helicopters that are just always flying in front of me. And there's another satellite right behind. You can't see it. The lighting is terrible. But there's a bunch of them. But they're hard to see.